birthday, Pastor Omar.
God bless po.
God bless.
Happy birthday, Pastor Omar. God bless and take care. Alam ko ako yung favorite mo. Joke lang. God bless. God bless. Happy birthday.
Hi Romar Gotilban, I just want to greet you a happiness birthday to you. Wishing you all the great things in life and all your dreams come true. And thank you for everything. Thank you for your efforts, and everyone knows this one, that you are one of the funniest person that we know, and we appreciate that. And isa ka rin sa mga one call away na person that we know. Sana hindi ka magbago. And I know that God is with you. So alam kong hindi ka niya pinapabayaan. Then keep serving with God and share to everybody. And yun lang. God bless. I hope you enjoy your day. Again, happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi. Good luck.
Happy birthday, Pastor Omar from JJRRC Bukawi. Ayan, sa isang napakasipag na lingkod ng Panginoon. At we're wishing you a happy and blessed birthday sa special day na to. Of course, sigurado marami kayo celebration nila Pastor Marlon. And of course, to Heart Community, mapalad sila na nagkaroon sila ng isang masipag at masigasig na youth pastor. The Lord bless you and keep you. Make His face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn His face towards you and give you peace. Happy birthday!
Birthday po. God bless.
Happy birthday, Pastor Omar. I know na ikaw ay malaking blessing sa ministry na pinagkatiwala ng Diyos sa inyo. Kaya Pastor Marlon, Pastor Rajen. Kaya keep up the good work. Patuloy kang maglingkod sa Diyos ng buong puso at buong katapatan. Develop intimate relationship with the Lord dahil yun talaga ang susi ng lasting ministry. Doon tayo umuhugot ng lakas sa ating relasyon sa ating Panginoong Hesus. Keep serving the Lord with all of your heart at lagi kang sumunod, mag-submit sa iyong mga pastors at I know sa iyong pagsunod, sa iyong pagpapasakop, pagpapalain ka ng Panginoon. And keep expanding the kingdom of God. One day, yung pinakamataas na calling, plano ng Diyos sa iyo ay mangyayari. Happy birthday. God bless you.